Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dave Dare and this is Dare RC Hobby Reviews. Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to hook up your jumper T-light transmitter with your F-35, the FX9635 by RC. I'm going to show you how to hook this up. We're going to go into our mode here. Just long press mode. This screen will pop up. Okay, I'm going to select enter to select number 14 there. Create model. Hit enter again. Okay, let's hit mode. Go in to set up that. Okay, so now we're going to go all the way down to internal RF. We're going to turn that on and go to multi protocol. There it is. Okay, so then we're going to turn this on by hitting enter. And we're going to select multi, just like that. And hit enter. Go down, select FX. We could hit enter and then use your up and down until you find FX. Oh, let's go up. I did have to get the latest firmware update from GitHub. Not sure if you can see that. You probably can't see that. I'll put it up on the screen somehow so you can see it better. Okay, so we're going to go to FX for our type, and then the subtype is going to be, okay, enter to exit out of that. Go down to subtype, hit enter, and scroll until you find 9630. Okay, there's 9630, and enter. Alright, so then we have all that set up correctly. Then we can actually exit out of that. Okay. We can go back into our model by hitting mode. And we're going to rename this. So just hit mode again. We're going to rename it F-35. So to do that, just go down to model name, hit enter, press up or down on your arrows over here. And then it'll let you choose through all the letters. You can just hold on the system button there to capitalize it. Long press it to lowercase it. So okay, so let's go capitalize, go find an F. There we go. Hit enter, then mode to skip, or whoops, I'm sorry, hit mode to skip over, and then you can select the next. We're going to go 35. There's 3. And just hit mode to jump over. Then we're going to go to 5. Okay. We'll go ahead and enter. And we can exit out of this. And then it should say yes, just like so. F-35 on the screen. Alright, that should get us to where we can connect the two. Let's try. I can show you how to bind it. Okay. Once you've done this for the first time, you're going to want to go in to the mode. Just hit it once you open it up and you're selected on the model. Then you can just scroll down just past the internal RF where you turned it on to select the protocol, and you'll see right here it'll say bind. So then you want to enter that, or hit the mode button and it'll come over to bind, and then you just press enter. And you have bound it with the airplane, just like that. Pretty cool, huh? Alright, I wish you guys could see that screen better, but I will make sure you can see it up here somewhere when I edit the video. Okay, so one more thing to show you would be how to set up the 3D flight to one of your toggle switches. Okay, the simplest thing is to go with, I think, channel 6 over here on the switch D. That's how I have mine set up. So then you would go into your system. Let's exit out of here, and we're going to go scroll through until we can see mixes. Okay, and we're going to go down to channel 6, hit enter. I'm going to scroll down. We're going to pick what switch we want to set it up on here. So just hit enter and then take that to switch D. There it is. Okay, switch D. Okay. Alright, let's go ahead and try that and see how that works. We'll go ahead and shut the remote off this time. When you power it on, it will automatically bind. You don't have to bind it every time.
Welcome to OpenTX.
There we are. Okay, let's see what happens there. Okay, we're in gyro mode. Okay. Hi guys. Let's check out the F-35 by DRC. This thing is so cool looking. I have used my jumper here to get a little better range. The factory remote only gives you like 650 feet. So if you want to do that like I did, you can use the FX9635 subtype, and you'll be good to go. I will make a video about that. Anyway, let's get it in there and see what it can do. I have it on gyro mode. I do have that set up on my toggle there. I just have gyro, and then I have 3D mode. So I have like the highest rate on the flaps. Here we go. Thanks for watching. Wish me luck. Oh yeah. And it's off. Using the jumper remote. Nice amount of range now for sure. Nice remote. Well, it's really windy out. It's amazing that airplane's handling that up there. Better bring it down a little bit. Bit choppy. Wow. Huge amount of range now. That's for sure, guys. Get up there with the real jets now. Just kidding. Maybe. Wow. Try to get a little bit closer to us here. We got to keep these EDFs moving pretty good. I don't really have a good spot to fly an EDF airplane and get a good close-up of it. We'll get there one day. Wow. So I like this a lot. This is a brushless motor. I believe it's like 30 millimeter, 35 millimeter, somewhere in that range. Very cool. Should be able to get about 10 minutes flight, they're saying, per battery. You do get 2 batteries with this kit. It's an RTF kit, comes complete with the remote batteries charger and the airplane. Wow, so far guys, I have excellent range using this jumper remote with it. So if you're having any issues with range, I would recommend using your multi-protocol radio to connect to them, using the FX9630 subtype. Use the multi, and then the FX, and then the subtype would be 9630. And that works with my F-35, my J-20 ducted fan, the SR-72 by DRC. And you have the feel of a higher quality remote too, not such a toy quality remote. Alright guys, we better bring it in for a landing. It is really windy. I don't want to mess this model up, so I'm going to try to bring it in nice and gentle. I'm going to try. Wow, super nice looking airplane. Looks to scale to me. Don't quote me on that. Looks really good. Oops. That'll work. Alright guys, there you have it. F-35 hooked to the jumper remote. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.